Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acclamation. 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 Acclamation is a noun that refers to enthusiastic approval, applause, or praise expressed collectively by a group of people. It signifies a strong, positive reaction or endorsement from a crowd. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The president's speech was met with thunderous acclamation from the audience. Why acclamation is used in example number 1. Acclamation emphasizes the enthusiastic and loud approval shown by the audience during the president's speech. Example number 2. The team's victory was celebrated with acclamation by their loyal fans. Why acclamation is used in example number 2. This sentence uses acclamation to describe the enthusiastic celebration and praise offered by the team's dedicated supporters. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.